Smoothie time. Now I'm hungry, and that's why I'm having this smoothie. Try and fill me up a little bit. So we're going to get figs. Figs. 3 figs. A date. That's a bit of sweetness. Some malt. Malt extract. Barley malt extract. And some almond butter. And finally, some almond milk. Alright, well, let's get on with it then. So, almond milk. Go about that. About 250 mils almond milk. Figs. Cute. Date. Brilliant noise when it went in. And right, I have to put this down for this, I think. Alright. A couple of tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Alright. Quite okay, here's one. Put that in. I'll have another one. Hungry, I told you. Alright, another one. Hang on. Hang on. Another one. Right. A teaspoon of this malt extract. Right. Sticky stuff. That's why I need 2 hands, because it won't come off the spoon unless I do this move. Alright. Won't come off the spoon no matter what move I do. They are in. Alright. And that's it. Let's put, hang on, no, let's have a quick look first. All the gear in there. So, 3 figs, 1 date, I know, 250 mils of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and a teaspoon of barley malt extract. Alright, let's just put the lid on. Stupid, I'm going to put the lid on. Right, lid's on. It's turned on, lights on. We're in. Let's go. Right, let's get this stuff out of my way. And let's bang it on. Going for a minute. Right, done. Ages then. Lid off. Smash these off a bit because obviously they're going to have a bit of gear on. Let's have a look at it. Yeah? Think about that. Looks good. Well, it ain't just a pretty face, because it tastes good and all. Oh, power.